Did you know Vrbo is valued at $316 million as of 2023? Amidst the ever-expanding variety of vacation rentals, Vrbo stands out as a compelling alternative to the industry-conquering Airbnb. Vrbo makes a significant mark on the market. However, the question persists. How does it compare to Airbnb, the industry giant commanding a 28.63% market share? Let's delve into the story of Vrbo's rise and explore its significance in the competitive world of short-term rentals. Vrbo, short for Vacation Rentals by Owner, is a prominent online vacation rental platform often likened to industry giants like Airbnb. Established in 1995, it serves as a marketplace where property owners showcase their homes for rent, and travelers can book accommodations, while Vrbo manages the transaction to listing monitoring and legal process. The platform offers a wide range of properties, from expansive mountain cabins, suitable for group ski trips, to dwellings like Costa Rica's Cockpit Cabana, where guests can sleep inside an airplane. In 2020, Vrbo underwent significant development through its merger with HomeAway. This strategic affiliation was a result of HomeAway falling under the Expedia Group umbrella. Vrbo's accommodations cater to various preferences that span from conventional suburban homes to unconventional structures. Notably, Vrbo's inclination towards multi-room properties provide cost-effective options. And beyond traditional accommodations, Vrbo offers an offbeat experience with camping pod rentals and glamping options. These getaways, embedded in nature, give travelers a break from the ordinary city lifestyle. From classic cabin-style pods to circular barrel glamping pods and mobile pod rentals, each provides a distinct charm for a vacation experience unlike any other. Vrbo, originally known as Vacation Rentals by Owner or Vrbo, commenced its journey in 1995 as an online vacation rental platform. Founded by David Klaus, a retired teacher in Aurora, Colorado, its inception aimed at renting his Breckenridge ski resort condo. Rapidly gaining popularity, Vrbo had over 65,000 rental listings by 2006, consistently adding 100 new listings daily. In 2006, HomeAway acquired Vrbo, marking a pivotal moment in its history. The subsequent acquisition of HomeAway by Expedia Group in 2015 brought Vrbo under the Expedia umbrella. The evolution continued in 2019 when Vrbo underwent a rebranding, adopting a new logo, capitalization, and pronunciation. The year 2020 witnessed a significant merger as HomeAway and Vrbo consolidated into a single Vrbo website. The choice to rename it Vrbo, from the abbreviation Vrbo, was rooted in research, aiming for a name easier to remember and pronounce globally. This transformative journey positioned Vrbo as a noteworthy player in the online vacation rental marketplace, contributing to its current worth of $316 million and solidifying its status as a compelling alternative to the industry mammoth Airbnb. As of recent data, Vrbo has demonstrated substantial growth in the vacation rental market. According to 6 Sense, Vrbo has a market share of 1.02% in the reservation and online booking market. Vrbo competes with 22 competitor tools in the same category. The top alternatives for Vrbo are TripAdvisor with 42.3%, Airbnb with 28.6%, Expedia with 8.8% market share. Updated vacation rental statistics indicate Vrbo's impressive performance, reporting a 55% growth in barn bookings, a 40% increase in houseboat reservations, and a 30% boost in treehouse bookings compared to the previous years. Regarding the Vrbo app, it ranked second with roughly 16.8 million downloads in the US in the year 2022. It lost the first spot to Booking.com mobile app, which was the most downloaded online travel agency app that year. When seeking an alternative to Airbnb, Vrbo is one of the first names that comes to one's mind. Vrbo exclusively provides standalone accommodations, ensuring guests have the entire property to themselves, unlike Airbnb, where the guests have to share their favorite living spots with others, making someone's residing a bit more uncomfortable. This focus on full rentals contrasts with Airbnb's offerings, which include standalone homes, shared spaces, and hotel rooms. Vrbo's approach is ideal for those desiring privacy and the complete experience of an entire flat or house. Vrbo's advanced search features help find vacation rentals that match their preferences. This precision is especially valuable when compared to Airbnb's broader, but sometimes overwhelming property selection. While comparing vacation rental costs between Airbnb and Vrbo, it's noticeable the bookings are priced similarly. Despite Airbnb having a larger inventory of properties, Vrbo's focus on standalone accommodations ensures that the pricing remains competitive without compromising on the quality of their stay. When it comes to safety, Vrbo prioritizes the safety of its users through a series of comprehensive measures. As a guest, you can earn a verified identity badge by providing personal information like your address and birth date, enhancing trust between guests and hosts. Hosts with positive attributes, including low cancellation rates and high review scores, receive the Premier Host title as a positive gesture of commitment to excellence. Payments made through Vrbo are protected against fraud. In the event of unauthorized transactions, Vrbo guarantees a refund to deliver a secure payment method. In the face of natural disasters or travel advisories, Vrbo provides a reliable point of contact. Guests are encouraged to communicate with the host initially, and if issues persist, they can contact Vrbo for assistance. While Vrbo allows surveillance devices, hosts must disclose their locations to guests. Inside homes, devices like smart speakers are permitted, and outdoor surveillance respects the guest's privacy. Outdoor security cameras and smart doorbells are acceptable for security reasons, provided their locations are disclosed. Vrbo emphasizes the need for discretion, limiting access to surveillance data and ensuring its deletion when no longer necessary. Vrbo's Book with Confidence guarantee provides additional protection. If a reservation is unexpectedly cancelled by the owner, the property is materially misrepresented, or serious health and safety issues arise, Vrbo provides assistance up to 30 days from the stay with no extra cost. As a bonus, you can also save money on your Vrbo rentals. Some Vrbo hosts offer discounts for extended stays. Opting for weekly or monthly rentals can trigger automatic discounts at checkout. While a longer stay may seem costlier upfront, it often translates to overall savings, especially when considering other travel expenses like airfare. Certain credit cards, such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve, offer travel statement credits that cover various travel expenses, including Vrbo rentals. Users can utilize these credits to offset costs and maximize savings. Paying for Vrbo bookings is easier using Travel Rewards credit cards. While this may not provide immediate savings, it accrues travel rewards for future trips. If you make sure your credit card provides bonus points for travel spending, you can enhance earn rate and potential returns. Connect Vrbo and United Airlines Mileage Plus accounts to earn 3 Mileage Plus Award miles per $1 spent on your vacation rental, excluding taxes and fees. While the value may not be substantial for a single stay, it's an effortless way to accumulate extra United miles and contribute to future free flights. Implementing these tips not only ensures cost-effective Vrbo stays, but also enhances your overall travel experience. To wrap up, when it comes to planning your dream vacation, the battle between Airbnb and Vrbo is quite evident. Both platforms offer a range of choices, but which one reigns supreme? Airbnb boasts a sleek interface and more listings worldwide, while Vrbo, being a part of the Expedia family, targets a broader audience. However, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the experience. Do you prefer the variety of Airbnb's 150 million users? Or does Vrbo's cozier ambience with 48 million users speak more to your wanderlust? And which platform gets your vote for the perfect getaway? Share your thoughts.